Hello, how y'all doing? I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of the kitchen scale I got for my business. I make bath and body care products. Yeah, and I just wanted to upgrade from the $10 scale that I had for however long. This is the my weight KD-800 scale. Open the box. Of course, some directions and information. In the box, pretty sure this is the top of the scale. Got a little box. The adapter so you can plug it up. Doesn't have to be on the batteries. Ready? Put in here the scale. Ooh. This is a protective faceplate cover. It's not touching if you lift up too high. This is this cover is removable. It's just telling you I can take this off if I please. If I take it off, these are some covers that can go just over the plate or the where the buttons are. I'm pretty sure this is off, a mold, tear, percentage, and hold. And it says remove before use. Is just a film cover. It's the bottom, precautions. Batteries. It takes the opening for the battery. It takes 3 looks like AA batteries. And yeah. Let me open the paperwork so we can see what it's talking about in there. Oh. Let me put this to the top. It's kind of self-explanatory, just, well, to me at least. Take it at the package and set it on there. But let's see what the user manual says. Oh, I definitely don't want no Dutch. There's American English. Let's see. American English. Did I pass it up? Must have. It's just the user manual in several languages. I'm looking for the American flag, the United States of America flag, but I guess we're just gonna go with this English. It's in English, so just some quick directions. Says we recommend using the adapter. Avoid provided with scale, avoid using batteries. However, all of our scales can be operated by battery power to ensure you can bring it anywhere. Weighing, calibration features, power up test, overload indicator, negative value, auto off, hold, backlight, beep feature, removable protective cover. Where's the beep? On the back. off and on the plug to plug in the adapter, and then the sound on, and that's off. I mean, yeah, this is off and this is on, and that's the light off and on. There's a light, a backlight, and I'm assuming it's on here, the light. All right, I'm about to plug it in and get it started.
Do it. Ready to get off.
Okay, I got the power cord plugged into my surge protector extension cord over there. Plugged it up to here per the directions or the user manual. When first turning on the unit, the scale will run quick diagnostics and will display a countdown. The display will remain for a few seconds and then reset to 0. Okay. So press and hold this on off button for 3 seconds, then release. Press to scroll to and this is before use. Take that film off. One, 2, 3. And all the modes, you can scroll from whichever one. Got grams, kilograms, ounces, pounds, the other pounds. And then you press tear for confirmation. Alrighty. About to put it to use today. I'm about to make some a new recipe, some bubble bars. I'll be sharing in another video. But thanks for joining me.